Why leave your hard-earned Beam wallet funds stuck when a world of accessibility awaits? Have you ever found yourself in that all-too-common predicament, staring at your Beam wallet balance, a digital treasure chest, but with no clear path to transform it into tangible cash? You're not alone. Many users enjoy the convenience and rewards of Beam Wallet for payments and loyalty, but when it comes to cashing out, the options can seem a little hazy. Perhaps you've just accumulated a hefty sum of cashback from your daily purchases, or maybe you've received a payment through Beam and now need to bridge that gap between the digital and physical realms. Whatever your reason, the desire to withdraw money from your Beam wallet is a perfectly valid one. And that's precisely what we're diving into today, unraveling the mystery of how to get your money out of Beam Wallet and into your hands. The truth is, Beam Wallet isn't designed as a direct withdrawal platform in the same way a traditional bank account or even some digital wallets are. It primarily functions as a loyalty and payment app, rewarding you for your spending at participating merchants. Think of it less like a standalone bank and more like a sophisticated loyalty program with payment capabilities. This distinction is crucial because it informs the approach you need to take when it comes to accessing your funds. So, if Beam Wallet itself doesn't offer a direct withdraw to bank button, what are your options? The primary method, and the one most aligned with Beam's design, revolves around spending your Beam balance. Your Beam points or currency can typically be redeemed for purchases directly at Beam partnered stores. This is the most straightforward way to utilize your accumulated funds, by simply using them to pay for goods and services where Beam is accepted. This could be anything from your morning coffee to your weekly groceries, depending on the merchants integrated with Beam in your region. However, we understand that sometimes you need actual cash, not just the ability to spend digitally. This is where a slightly more indirect approach comes into play, often leveraging other financial tools or services. One common strategy involves using your Beam wallet funds to purchase something at a partner merchant that you can then easily liquidate or return for cash. This isn't always practical or ideal, but in a pinch, it can be a workaround. For example, if a partner merchant sells gift cards for other popular retailers, you might consider using your Beam balance to purchase a gift card that you can then either use yourself for essentials or potentially resell, though reselling gift cards can sometimes come with a small loss in value. Another potential avenue, though less direct and highly dependent on specific regional partnerships, could involve peer-to-peer transfers if Beam facilitates them to other users who might then be able to help you out with cash in exchange. However, this is not a universally available feature and carries its own set of risks, so it's not a recommended primary method. The most practical advice, therefore, for those looking to withdraw from Beam Wallet is to strategically use your Beam balance for your everyday spending at partner merchants. This way, you effectively free up cash that you would have otherwise spent from your traditional bank account or physical wallet. By maximizing your use of Beam for eligible purchases, you indirectly convert your Beam balance into savings in your other financial accounts. Essentially, you're shifting your spending power. Always keep an eye on the Beam Wallet app itself for any new features or partnerships that might emerge. Financial technology is constantly evolving, and new functionalities for withdrawal or broader integration with other financial services could be introduced in the future. Check the app's FAQ or support section regularly for the most up-to-date information on how to manage and utilize your funds. While Beam Wallet doesn't offer a direct cash-out button, your best bet for withdrawing money is by strategically spending your accumulated balance at participating merchants, thereby preserving your liquid cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.